Hello everyone! We want to thank you for participating in the planning process as we look at upcoming enhancements at Windhaven Park. Dunaway, a design consulting firm, has partnered with the City of Plano to provide professional services for park and circulation enhancements. We are currently in the data gathering, programming, and community input phase of the master plan process. A kickoff meeting and initial site walk has been completed to establish the project's goals, constraints, and opportunities. This presentation will go over the inventory gathered, site analysis results, and potential programming for playground upgrades. The last step in this phase is to gather input from important stakeholders and community members before moving on to concept and master plan development. Windhaven Park is located at the corner of Parker Road and Clark Parkway, next to Brinker Elementary School and Tom Muhlenbeck Recreation Center. The park is approximately 9 acres and consists of a natural open space, a playground, and a 0.43-mile walking trail loop. Our project limits contain the existing playground and pavilion area, pedestrian circulation and connections to adjacent amenities, and the open natural space between the playground and Parker Road. The open space is centrally located within the park, and the playground is situated to the north of the project site, close to the existing elementary school and parking. Initial goals and considerations that were discussed during the kickoff meeting and site walk included the need for increased shade at the playground, improved pedestrian connectivity, accessible upgrades to site amenities, a new irrigation system, and security lighting for visitor safety. Windhaven Park has multiple entry access points, primarily near the Recreation Center, School, and Parker Road. Sanitary sewer runs through the east side of the site, and other utilities are mainly located within the right-of-way and do not enter the project limit extents. The park consists of multiple seating nooks, a drinking fountain, a couple of grill stations, and an area for open play activities. The playground contains play equipment for ages 2 through 12, 5-bar surfacing, climbing bars, swings, and a small tower structure. The perimeter of the site has large mature trees that provide ample shade for the trail loop. However, minimal tree canopy is provided over the playground equipment and the interior of the trail. The project site and perimeter circulation paths are all concrete paved and approximately 8 feet wide. Now that we have taken a broad look at Windhaven Park, let's dive into the site today. The following images on the left represent the current state of the park. 1 through 3 follows the path from the parking lot to the playground area, showing highlights of the existing play equipment, shade structure, and dedication monuments. Photos 4 through 8 show the current trail loop conditions and park signage. Initial programming considerations mainly included enhancing the play equipment, upgrading the adjacent shade structure, and providing fabric shade over the playground. These photos help to represent the potential enhancements and design intent of the park. Now that you've been introduced to the project and initial programming direction, we would love to hear your feedback. After synthesizing any input we receive, our next steps will be to begin concept development, where there will be another opportunity to provide comments through the master planning process. Please follow the link shown here or scan the QR code to be taken to an online survey where you can provide feedback on the initial program list and tell us what you would like to see within the park. If you have any questions, please contact the City of Plano at the information shown below. We appreciate your input and look forward to developing concept alternatives for upgrades at Windhaven Park.